Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be using a product research method, the first one I ever used back in 2017, here in 2020 to see if we can still find products using that method. I thought this would be a fun video to make, try and do some old school product research. Enough of all this software and all this. This is back in the day when I was still working a part-time job, looking for product ideas on my phone. That's what we're going to be doing today. So stick around if that sounds like something you'd enjoy watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you happen to be new, but without further ado, let's jump right into it. So here we go. We're going to move over into my computer, and we're not even going to start on Amazon. No, we're going to start on Alibaba of all things, right? So it was kind of hard to do product research on Amazon on my phone, just because there's so many categories. I found it easier on Alibaba, but we're actually taking at least from finding the idea standpoint, a no product research software approach here. So this is literally what I do. Picture this. I have my shirt tucked in, a red staple shirt. I'm wandering through the aisles acting like I'm doing things, but I'm secretly doing product research. And what I'm doing is I would go in something like this. So here's the strategy. I'd go into Alibaba, and it's a little bit different on your phone, but still you get all the same things. So you go to categories, right? Maybe go home and garden. So check this out, home decor. Okay, let's go other home decor. And then all of a sudden we're redirected to, wow, I swear I did not plan that. There's a macrame shelf that popped up. But we're redirected to all these products that are sometimes trendy, recommended for you, it looks like. So I would just literally scroll through other home decor and look for products. And it looks like these are actually based on my own history, which is interesting. It didn't used to be like this. You could go to a category like this and literally just look around for products, and it's the reverse of what you normally do. Normally you go to Amazon, look for products, go look for or use tools that could bring you to products on Amazon, and then go check Alibaba. Here, we're starting with a supplier. We're starting with something we already know exists. This actually grabbed my attention. Macrame feather wall hanging. Cool, that's very on brand for me. Let's go check that out. So we're literally just gonna search macrame feather. Check that out, macrame feather wall hanging. Okay, there actually are some. There's 1, 2, 3, and that's not even exactly the one that we saw. So maybe the one that we saw here could work. Let's see. So now we just want to see how they're selling. Check out that first one. That's Amazon's Choice. So they got 88 reviews. No way. I mean, come on. 11,000 per month. That's funny. So, I mean, that worked pretty good. I've been doing this for 3 minutes now. We already made some good progress because 88 reviews. One variation is doing 11,000. One's doing 9. Macrame feather. Now, of course, we have to run it through some more criteria. So we go macrame feather. Let's just get rid of macrame feather wall hanging. Let's just go macrame feather. And I just want to do that because I want to see if the search volume is any different. So 173 for this, set 30 something for the other one. It's probably something that you're not really going to have exact searches for. You're going to have to try and rank this in things like macrame wall hanging, macrame decor, bohemian decor, those kinds of areas, or use existing customers in my case. So yeah, we have one seller selling it. They're making $1,000. Another seller selling it, 4-star reviews, doing $1,500 per month in sales, selling about 2 a day. And then this seller here sells about 3 a day, and they have 78 reviews. So it looks like by far that one is more popular. There's 3 results. Not a whole lot of search volume, but if we did it right, we could probably rank it correctly. Let's see. So what we might do then is maybe do a whole new search on Alibaba. Maybe we could go macrame feather and just see what else is out there. Now they have different kinds. Check this out, right? So, ooh, I like that, right? So it has the natural piece of wood there, the macrame, and then it has the feathers hanging down from that. I bet you that would do great. Oh, those are super cool. So we could totally do something like that. We'd have to get the correct paperwork or certification to import the wood that's unfinished or unpressed, whatever that is, from another country. And we should be able to sell that $360 per unit. They're selling it for $19.81. Just to do like some real quick estimation of margins. We could see right here, looks like they're at 200% ROI with that $396, and that's already assuming that the actual unit freight cost is going to be 36 cents. I think that's pretty close to what it should be. Maybe it'll be $1. So we could get rid of this and add this to 4. Go something like that. Yeah, they're killing it, honestly. They're doing great. So there's one idea. I guess we'll keep looking. I wasn't thinking that that would work so quickly. But we'll come back in here and maybe we try something else. Maybe we should just go to home decor and we'll just start there. See if this loads up. I don't know what's taking so long. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. So let's do this. Go back to the main one. Categories. Okay, so this is where I started. You go into the categories thing right here, and you could really pick anything. I mean, you could pick anything you want, but I used to go a lot to the home and garden. I used to go to kitchen and like tools and utensils and stuff like that. So we could even do like, let's see. Furniture, nope, we really want home and garden more so. Okay, now we're in home. Cool, here we go. So now we have all these home storage. Let's see. There's a lot of categories, as you can see. Garden supplies, those may start to become seasonal as far as the spring and summer ones go, but if you find something for fall, perhaps. Let's see here. Household cleaning tools and accessories. Now you could click on any one of these, actually. So we don't have to actually pick a specific one. I was just kind of seeing what they had here. So for instance, if I do that, then we get to the big broad home decor thing, which is kind of what we were looking at before, which is a good place to start. If you're not looking at any one thing, you have a lot of options. So then really there's no method to my madness here. I just simply click on something that draws my attention. Do this in a space where you actually like to sell the products or have some sense of security about those products. If not, do home decor like I'm doing. Geometrical hydroponic plant tubes. Those might be an option. We could keep looking through here. This is a cool product research method. Try this out, guys. This is really old school. I definitely haven't done this in forever. Probably since back then. Maybe I've done it once or twice. I think I showed it in a video one time. This is interesting tool. So I know that macrame plant hangers are huge, like way bigger than macrame shelves. Like we're talking like 60,000 searches or something like that. And I've never seen one like this. So this is really good when you know a market exists already and you can innovate in that marketplace. This is a great example of that. So for instance, if we went to search macrame plant hanger, I actually see these like in stores now. It's pretty crazy. Getting pretty big. So we'll pull up X-ray here. Yeah, 66,000 search volume. Like I said, hey, I know my search volumes. And then we have all this revenue, all this demand, all these sales. There are still people that, despite this being a hard product to rank for now, will rank a listing with 25 reviews and do 15,000 in sales. I mean, that one is technically sponsored, but doesn't discount the fact that they're doing 20,000 sales and there's their organic listing there. Let's see, 22,000. Yeah, so like I was saying, if we take a look through here, the revenue doesn't matter so much at this point. If we take a look through here, they're all very similar, right? They're just these kits. They wrap around the pot. But what did we notice about what we just saw? Do you guys see anything like that? I sure don't. And that's exactly what you need to do to draw attention to yourself and enter a market like this. You take what you know about the product already, that the style of the product works, the macrame thing works, and then you implement a new exciting design. Whether that's, where is it? This one, or let's see, maybe you do that one with that one as a centerpiece, and like check this out. What if this was your actual listing? You had this one, this one, this one, and this one. Those are all very, very unique, right? I think those are very cool and actually have more character than even. I'm bookmarking this. Getting selfish with the ideas here, making a video, and I might do something with this. Both of these are really good. So I think that's gonna do it for today's video. That was the research method. I'm gonna go have a little bit more fun with this because I'm finding a lot of good ideas. I recommend you do the same. That's an old school product research method. I haven't used in a while, but maybe I'll start picking that back up again because we found some good stuff today. It was all very relevant to what I already sell. So it was cool. I already had some kind of insight into what to do. It's a good idea if you know of some markets. Go instead of looking on Amazon and then trying to find something on Alibaba, start on Alibaba, because there are companies literally just pushing products into your face like, look, we make awesome products. Come and try and sell some of the things that we make. So this is really cool. It's something I'll have to implement a little bit more. Hopefully you guys liked today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And other than that, I'll be seeing you here tomorrow for another video on the channel. Thanks so much. Later.